Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Jabra Elite 75T headphones and I'm going to show you how to personalize your hearing experience using my sound. At first we have to open our application and then we have to click on this gear icon over here. Here we have to click on personalize our headset and now we have to click on my sound. Here we have welcome to my sound. Take the my sound hearing test to create your personal hearing profile. This hearing profile will be used to optimize the audio for music. Now we have to put our earbuds into our ears, the right one and the left one, and now we have to click get started. Now we have to select our gender. Your hearing profile is partly determined by your gender. After that we have to select our year of birth. After that, there are some tips. Find a quiet place, and ensure your earbuds have a good fit. Prepare to tap the screen when you hear a tone. Now we have to start the test. Now we have to tap when we hear a tone. If you hear something, some beeping, you have to click on this screen over here. Now we are hearing in our right ear, and after that we have to hear in our left. Right ear is done, now we have to hear in our left ear. And now our headphones are done. Now we have to wait a moment. And now we are done. We have to click save. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.